Welcome to the 21st edition of Climate Update.
A HelpAge India study covering 2,200 senior citizens across 10 states found that nearly 8 out of 10 had experienced climate-related events such as heat waves, floods or droughts over the last 3 years. Many respondents reported health concerns, unsafe housing and financial challenges that make recovering from extreme weather increasingly difficult.
Several countries across Western Europe saw temperatures crossing 40 degrees Celsius, prompting heat alerts in France, Spain, Italy, Germany and the UK. Scientists say Europe is warming faster than any other continent, making heat waves more frequent and intense. Authorities urged people to stay hydrated, avoid afternoon heat and use public cooling spaces where available.
The U.S. National Weather Service issued an extreme heat watch as temperatures in parts of the Grand Canyon approached 44 degrees Celsius. Visitors were advised to avoid hiking during the hottest part of the day following several recent heat-related fatalities. Similar heat advisories were also issued across several western U.S. states.
Scientists continue monitoring El Niño, which can influence rainfall, droughts and floods across different parts of the world. The phenomenon may affect agriculture, food prices and water availability, making seasonal preparedness increasingly important for vulnerable regions.
Koalas continue to face challenges from habitat loss, bushfires, disease and rising temperatures. Conservation programs across Australia are restoring habitats, creating wildlife corridors and supporting rescue efforts to improve the long-term survival of the species.
Reliance Industries is developing a massive renewable energy hub in Kutch, Gujarat, expected to generate over 40 billion units of clean electricity each year. The integrated project combines solar power, battery storage and green hydrogen production, while creating significant employment opportunities.
Construction has begun on Denmark's largest community-based solar project in Copenhagen. The development will combine rooftop solar systems with a shared battery network to supply homes, schools and public infrastructure while storing surplus renewable energy for later use. European carmakers are introducing a new generation of compact electric vehicles as battery technology becomes more affordable. Smaller EVs require fewer materials, consume less energy and are better suited to city driving, making electric mobility accessible to more people.
Japan is demonstrating how piezoelectric flooring can convert the pressure from footsteps into electricity. Installed at busy public locations, the technology generates small amounts of clean energy that can power lighting, displays and sensors.
Melting glaciers in the Arctic are dropping large rocks onto the ocean floor nearly 2,500 meters below the surface. These rocks are becoming new homes for marine species like sponges, corals and sea anemones. While the discovery highlights nature's ability to adapt, scientists caution that the changes are being driven by rapidly melting glaciers and a changing Arctic.
See you next week for another roundup of climate news from around the world.